Bless
President.
you.
Mayo, adlaw ka na itong kanan. May adlaw. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, members of the Trimedia, fellow government workers, my staff, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning everyone. This is my second farewell speech for this August chamber. It marked my 18 years of public service as duly elected city councilor of the 2nd Congressional District. With God's blessings and guidance, life is really good to me and for my family. Honestly, I could not imagine that I have reached this far in my political engagement for the city and leaving legacy of winning an election based on genuine public service and never been tempted to succumb to the investment of money politics. The context of genuine service to our constituents, which does not require to be enormous, popular, or headliner, but at least consistent, immediate, and directly beneficial to our client constituents is one of my significant contribution in reinforcing the effectiveness of our local governments. As I stand before you today, I was reminded by the statement of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte last May 2024 during the Hopong sa Taong Lungsod Party Convention that it is incumbent for the current city officials to prepare and train the prospect of young leadership for the city in order to continue, prosper, and protect our present political and economic gains for the betterment of the lives of the future Filipinos. I will be leading in this most significant party of my life, full of gratitude and satisfaction. I have the opportunity to serve the administration of the best and one of its kind mayor of Davao City, the most well-respected and popular President of the Republic of the Philippines, the living legend, former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. I became part of the City Council, previously presided by the current Vice President and certainly the next President of the Republic of the Philippines. Former Mayor Inday Sara Duterte. I was able to produce, through the support of the majority of the constituent of the 2nd Congressional District, the family's next generation leader, incoming City Councilor Jose Apostol, my younger brother, to join the next younger generation of Tatak Duterte, composed of Vice Mayor Basti Duterte, Councilor Rigo Duterte, and Congressman Omar Duterte. Mr. President, I will really miss the time in our fellowship in this August chamber. Bye for now, but this is not signing off. May God bless us all. Thank you.